What is ZFT? No, the right question is, who is ZFT? We are a new generation of wealth builders, a community of dreamers who broke the cycle and enjoying the best of what life has to offer. Money is just a byproduct of our process, and we do this while pursuing our dreams and passions. Yes, we make it all possible. Learn how to trade, dive into the cryptoverse, build or invest in Web3. We'll help you with your first steps and light your path to greatness. Join us as we defeat giants, meet our allies, and embark on this adventure called life. We are ZFT.
Hey guys, hello, good evening to everyone. My name is Z Freaks. I've been trading and investing in the markets for over a decade now. PSE, US, CFDs, Forex, crypto, NFTs. Been there, done that, and still here, guys. Today we're gonna have our usual Monday market updates, and for those of you guys who do not know what this is for those of you who are busy and who are looking for opportunities across the board. Ano ba yung mga pwede natin paglagyan ng pera? Ano ba yung mga pwede iwasan? Although this segment has been most of the time in crypto since I'm heavy in crypto. Siguro pag meron tayong ibang guest on the show, guest on the show, then we can cover other markets, especially with Forex. We have some partners being onboarded this year. But anyways, how are you guys? Kumusta kayo ngayong Monday? Nasalo nyo ba yung dip? Hopefully you guys are okay. Where are you guys watching from? Let me know in the comments below. Kumusta kayo guys? Today, ano ba? I'm gonna show you guys later paano ko ginagawa yung airdrop farming. So for those of you who are not in our Discord, who are not specifically on our paid Discord, walang subscription dun sa TR. And for those of you who have subscribed, we have good news for you kasi we're about to release a comprehensive guide. This is made by our people or our members in our Discord who have been doing airdrops, and they're quite good at it, by the way. Merong isa ang galing kasi yung Gito pa lang naka 500,000 na. Ang kulit. Tapos multiple wallets pa sa Jup yung iba. Anyways, we're gonna be creating that comprehensive guide for people who are interested on on farming these airdrops kasi it's airdrop season, and itong mga projects na to gumagawa na kung ano para they can increase their user base. So think of these airdrops as kind of like, when you go to the mall, meron silang mga free samples hoping that you try their product, and pag nagustuhan mo, then magkakaroon sila ng mga loyal customers. So for example, kami we love using Jupiter, people who are into the Solana ecosystem, and so if you love using Jupiter, then you're gonna be eligible for those future airdrops. So tapos na yung first airdrop, meron pang paparating, but that's gonna be in next year pa para maging eligible ka sa mga ganun. Just keep on using Jupiter, and for other projects naman out there, there's like ano pa yung nandun sa list natin. Merong Parcel, merong Tensor. I think wala masyadong nagpo-farm ng Tensor kasi you need a lot of capital for that. But merong technique kung paano siya i-farm yung points, pero kailangan mo siyang batayan. There's also Meteora, there's Pyth, yung Pyth or Pyth, paano pa sabihin yan. There's also ways to, it's kind of like speculation at the moment. But we're already positioning into it, and later papakita ko paano nyo pwede nyo gawin. Alright? So anyways, we're gonna do our scanning first. So sasabayan nyo ako guys sa pag-scan ko dito sa mga watchlist ko. And then afterwards, we can explore these other tokens. Kung yung mga requests kayo, just let me know in the comments. Okay, goods ba tayo guys? Saga XYZ airdrop, sabi dyan. Hindi. I'm not sure. Actually, I'm not sure. Okay, may tanong dito si Coffee Bean. Boss, paano ba yung airdrop na yun? Soft token lang activity? Yes, for Jupiter, usually ito lang. Okay, hello, good evening, Aldrin from Italy. Nalayo niyo pa pala. Okay. Okay, BM Gaming watching from Dubai, Makati. Pang ganun. Okay, sige. Teka lang ah. Guys, may ano lang ako, caveat lang tayo kasi delix tayo eh. So, caveats lang tayo. In case lang, especially people who are in our Discord, Explorer man or Citizen, make sure that you are careful because may mga umaaligid na mga scammers pretending to be part of the team, pretending to be me. So, pagka DM kayo, inad kayo, tapos wala namang heads up, in our Discord, malamang scammer yon guys. So, mag-ingat, extra ingat lang talaga, okay? Okay, kakapasok ko lang, boss. Mag-discuss ka po. Yes! We're gonna be talking about those airdrops, Mikoy. Don't worry, wala ka pang namimiss. Huwag alala. BG Gaming, worth it ba mag-hold ng juke, bossing? Ako, usually yung mga ganitong tanong, how I just say it is that, based on the numbers, like, is it a product that is being used by everyone? Kung yung mga tao pa na mahilig ng fundamentals before when they get into the stock market, ano ba yung pagkain na laging kinakain ng mga Pilipino na listed sa exchange? Jollibee, okay. So parang kind of like somewhat similar to that. But anyways, let's go on with our watch listing para hindi tayo masyadong magsayang ng oras. Let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we wanna focus on kumbaga ito yung index kasi when it comes to crypto. Why we wanna focus on these things because kung ano usually yung galaw nito, yun din yung magiging galaw ng iba't ibang tokens in the space. And it's a really good Monday. Actually, sobrang ganda ng move niya kasi it already created that low kaninang umaga and then now tuloy-tuloy yung akyat. I do expect na meron tayong intraday move, intraday correction. Hopefully, magpo-correct yan. Retest a little bit, and then afterwards, tuloy-tuloy na yung pag-angat niya. So, this is for Bitcoin. I don't think babalik pa to sa 38K or somewhere here. We were expecting na worst case scenario, umabot siya dito, right? Pero hindi na nangyari. But this was a good buying opportunity for people. I was actually having this discussion with a friend na, ito ETF, tapos biglang after that ETF news, sell di ba ang nangyari? Sell, and then afterwards bumagsak siya, and that was actually a really good buying opportunity. We did say na ako personally, the only time na magbe-bear market tayo is pagka bumalik tayo dito sa mga levels na to, which I doubt or I highly doubt na mangyari. So ito yung worst case scenario, 31,800, and then ito talaga yung parang kumbaga bear case scenario ko pagka, let's say, nabutas tong level na to, which is 26,000. I don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon. So this consolidation over here, that's really something that you want to be looking or waiting na magkakaroon tayo ng clear direction. So usually, pagka nagkaroon tayo ng break from consolidation, which is somewhere, let's say, ganito na lang. Yan. So, itong price na to, dito kayo dapat tumingin, guys. Ito. Alright, so currently ito yung price, right? This is where the price is trading in between these two ranges. Now, the technique here, if let's say you're bullish, alright, and then wala kayong positions, pwede kayong bumili near this area over here, itong below this area, kung bumalik man siya, pero mukhang malabo. Pero may highly likely naman na pwedeng pumunta below, pero malabo at the moment. We'll see in the future. And then, here naman, pagka let's say, umakyat yung price at nag-breakout or nag-trade na siya above this range over here, itong 44,900 to 46,900, pag nandito na yung price, dapat pumosisyon na kayo kasi most likely, pag nag-breakout from here, tuloy-tuloy na yan. And then, 50K, 60K, tapos it's anybody's guess kung pupunta ba tayo ng 100K or what. Right? So, it really depends. At the moment kasi, nandito tayo sa tinatawag na crossfire zone. Now, this crossfire zone is where a lot of people get whipsawed, a lot of people lose money because nagle-leverage ng, let's say, times 50, times 100, walang disiplina when it comes to cutting. And so, if you do that, tapos ilalagay niyo yung pong pera niyo sa mga futures, talagang baka mamaya wala na kayong future. So, ingat kayo guys pagka when you play with derivatives, alright? If you're bullish naman long term, tapos nilagay niyo lang sa spot, then pwede, hawakan niyo lang, and then see how it goes. Alright? Pagka nag-breakdown or nag-trade below this area, yung 39,500 levels, then diyan ka mag-alala kasi pagka nabasag yan, then you have these levels to watch. Yeah, 35k at saka 31k. But again, this is a highly unlikely scenario. Only time that that's gonna be possible if magkaroon ng close yung price below this level, 39,500. Which is right now, mukhang hindi naman. Nasa crossfire zone tayo. So, let's see how it goes. Bitcoin right now is good because pagka nagkaroon ng ganitong klaseng consolidation, that means meron tayong opportunity when it comes to altcoins. Kasi people are gonna be looking for opportunities. Saan ba pwedeng pumasok ng pera habang natutulog si Bitcoin? Yan. So, dito natin ilalagay sa mga iba't ibang altcoins. So, what are the other altcoins or tinatawag nating alternative tokens? Alright, so we have Ethereum. So, Ethereum for me, this is actually a buy area or buying opportunity. Halos parang to me, this is just me, okay? Not financial advice. This is no-brainer. No-brainer na to kasi ang tagal ng kanyang consolidation. It's not like Solana na nag-breakout na tapos wild yung naging takbo niya, di ba? This one has just been consolidating for a very long time. And we wanted to consolidate that way at tumagal yung consolidation niya. Bakit? Because by the time that this breaks out and sobrang clear na magiging breakout na yan, that means that there's going to be a huge opportunity to make money. Kasi clear na nag-breakout na. Diba? Anong next niyan? Tuloy-tuloy yung pagkakangat. And maraming OG money na nandito sa Ethereum and you want and it's in their best interest actually to manipulate this price or to make this the next target. So, Bitcoin, Ethereum, those are the top na dapat nasa list nyo. We also have BNB for build and build. Sa mga users ng Binance, this is something that is a must-have. So if nandun kayo sa mga countries wherein, wala namang pakialam sa kay Binance or crypto-friendly, then this is something that you want to be getting into. And also, you want to be staking this into the Binance or BNB BNB Vault. Alright? Makikita niyo yan pag nag-login kayo sa Binance. Stake nyo lang doon pagka nagkaroon ng mga launchpad or launch pools. Meaning ng launch pools usually is halimbawa ako si Bonk, right? Bonk is one of the meme tokens in Solana and I want to list Bonk in Binance. What usually happens is that the Bonk team will have to surrender but millions of Bonk para magkaroon ng liquidity si Binance. So, it goes many ways, but one way is that the team will have to, out of their marketing fund or out of their liquidity fund, they give it to Binance. Pwede ding mangyari is that if sobrang naging commodity yung token na yun, Binance will buy those tokens on the open market para malist nila dun sa kanilang platform. Kasi mahirap naman, no? Kung, let's say, it's a hot token tapos hindi pinapagbigyan ni Binance. Now, why do these exchanges list these tokens? Hindi nyo ba naisip yun, guys? Like, bakit yung mga meme tokens nilist ng kahit kung anong brokers? Because if you become a liquidity provider, meaning meron kang token na yun, nakuha mo yun for free, it's good for marketing. Sasabihin mo sa mga tao na, oy, if hindi kayo komportable na mag-trade dyan sa mga DEX, dito kayo sa mga CEX, right? Like, for example, Bybit, Binance. So, you can check the comments for those links in case kinakabahan kayo kay Binance kung, mababan ba siya o hindi. Ako, ginagamit ko pa rin si Binance, but usually it's for on-ramp, off-ramp. Most of my trades is, kalat across different brokers. So, you can check the comments for the links for that. For BNB, Saan na ba ako? Alright, for BNB, the reason why you want to have this is because it's the top token. I mean, for exchange, halos lahat ng mga liquidity or ano ba, yung mga biggest liquidities talaga of these major tokens na sa Binance. And that also means pagka merong mga launch pools, ganyan, may mga launch pads in the future, you're gonna be needing BNB to fund those and participate dun sa mga yun. Syempre, the more BNB that you have, the more opportunities that will open up to you. Especially sa launch pools. So, it's kind of like your money farming free money, which is sometimes ang laki. So, may mga kilala ako, ayun, mga million yung BNB nila. Tapos, yung nakukuha nila from launch pools, usually mga 50k to 200k, ganyan. Just putting their BNB dun sa Binance, anong tawag nito? Binance vaults. Yan. So, ayan lang. This is not a sponsored post, but I just really like the opportunities that these tokens give, and so yeah, free shield for them. The next is Solana. So Solana, because I'm a heavy user of Solana, and guys, ano pa to? 2 years na ba, or 2021 ko nagsimula with Solana na was in their decks, and then after that never looked back, even nung nag-drop kay FTX dito. Still been a Solana user, always been shilling this sa inyo nung hindi pa uso yung MMU. Yung konti pa lang nanonood, wala akong pakialam. Basta sa akin, sinasabi at ginagawa ko lang yung part ko. Guys, opportunity is here in Solana. And kita nyo naman si Solana na sobrang naging market leader siya before the year ended noong 2023. But that also means that this 2024, since this was a market leader, ito din yung magiging market leader pag nag-start yung actually, hindi naman nag-start kasi matagal na nag-start yung bull market. Last year, October, nag-start yung bull market or nag-confirm na okay, next leg na tayo ng bull market. So, yung mga nag-outperform the last year, yun din yung magiging nating top performers, or may expect natin magiging top performers this year. So, alongside Solana, so this is out of the major tokens na dapat yung hawakan. We have INJ, Injective Protocol. So, INJ, kita nyo naman, din siya, sobrang outlier din niya. Bumabagsak yung market. Mas nauna pa yata siya Hindi, actually, parang okay lang. Parang same din sila ni Solana. So, INJ is another one that you want to be adding, especially pagka nag-break yung prices from this level, which is at the 43.45. Ayan. So, pagka mag-alala tayo pagka bumagsak yung presyo dito, or it trades below this level, then saka tayo mag-rethink ano bang pwedeng mangyari. Pero kasi consolidating mo siya, so we'll see how it goes. The next is, hold on, itong watchlist na, itong buong watchlist to. Tanggalin ko na itong si Pepe Coin kasi wala naman yan. Link. So Link, nagbe-breakout na siya at the moment. We have seen that break over here Thursday. So sinabi natin actually since last year, pagka nag-break itong major resistance na ito, itong Tres Marias na to, at saka itong mga minor na Tres Marias din as well, magtutuloy-tuloy yung breakout na yan. So, after that breakout, kita nyo naman, those two major breakouts. So, minor resistance over here, broken. Major resistance over here, broken. After that breakout, tuloy-tuloy. And then here, after, New Year na, ito na yung nangyari, consolidation. And then here, you have that new breakout over here. So expect more upside. As to what the price is, I have no idea. I am here as a trend follower, so kung asa man ito dadali ng market, bahala na siya, di ba? So Link is another one. And then we have Arbitrum. Here is one of my dark horses as well for this year. So Arbitrum, it's a layer 2. So people who, let's say, namamalhan sa mga chains like Ethereum, people who trade in the DEX, pwede kayong mag-explore dito sa Arbitrum and see how it goes. So for Arbitrum, we have these levels to watch. Nasa support level siya. So again, we're looking at this because all-time high na rin siya. Technical wise, we're just looking for a further consolidation, and then afterwards, kung nag-breakout siya dito, so there's two levels to watch, ito tsaka ito. So pagka pumasok yung price dito sa 1.89 and above, 2.26, then that's a really good trend following token. So we have AVAX as well. So AVAX, ayan, breakout happened over here and here. So we are seeing these, actually after this breakout, itong major breakout, nagkaroon tayo ng run up. And then, ito na yung ating retest. 100 MA is here as well. So, currently, retesting siya. Yung ating MAs, short-term MAs are already showing signs na, okay, nagsusupport siya. But, we'll see how it goes. It's the start of the week. Usually, at the start of the week, magkakaroon tayo ng maliit na dip. And then, after that dip, hopefully, tuloy-tuloy na yung pag-akyat. Alright? Titingnan mo yan usually sa weekly. So, ito. And then, nasa bullish territory siya. Yung ating 100 MA, even the short-term, is all below prices, which means in technical terms, pag below yung ating MAs sa prices, then that's a very bullish sign. So even in the weekly, in the daily, lahat yan nasa baba, which is a really good sign. The next I want you to be looking at is SEI or SEI. So say nag-break out na siya, ito. So people are saying, oh, this could be the next, Solana killer. Mabilis yung blockchain, it's fairly new. So, usually yung mga ganito fueled by speculation eh. Kaya, mabilis din yung akyat. Alright? Hindi natin alam kung solid ba talaga siya. But, speculation phase, after that, long consolidation, people are gonna see, tutuloy ba to? May mga tao pa bang magbibuild? Or is this just hype? So, if you want to make sure na, okay, mukhang legit nga to, wait for a breakout from here. 0.83 and then, pagka nagtuloy-tuloy to, then goods. For now, kasi with it's a fairly new na ang tawag nito na blockchain. So yeah, say there's also Sui. Weird na mga names, no? Okay, sige. Sui, we also want to be looking at this from a trend follower perspective because 100 MA after pumasok, after nagkaroon din ng breakout yan sa major resistance natin here and here, actually minor resistances. Ito. Tuloy-tuloy yung akyat niya, no? So, you want to be looking at this because, yeah, trend followers friend to eh. 100 MA, and then also our short-term moving averages are here. We also have, wait, ano pa ba? Yung iba dito hindi ko na i-mention, ha? CRO. So, CRO, siguro hindi ko lang ito i-cover. CRO kasi I just use it for the credit card for crypto. Sobrang solid kasi ni CRO when it comes to that. The next is Uniswap. So Uniswap is like the Jupiter of Ethereum. So kung bago pa lang kayo, these products and tools, kung halimbawa bagong chain, no, you need to find the most used DApp wherein you can trade. Kasi usually wala yan sa mga mga centralized exchanges, hindi pa masyadong na-introduce yung mga new ecosystem tokens. So halimbawa bagong blockchain, let's say for example Solana nung nagsisimula siya, merong iba't ibang mga swappers ang tinatawag. Halimbawa papalitan mo yung Solana into the coin that's in the Solana ecosystem. So kailangan mo ng ganung klaseng dApp. Alright, so yung mga OGs, ito like si Uniswap, ito yung kailangan mo para mag-swap ka from Ethereum to the different tokens in the Ethereum ecosystem. So multi-chain na rin tong si Uniswap, multi-chain, sorry. Ano siya, yung programming ni Ethereum sa like for example in Matic and Avalanche, I think. Iba pala yung sa Avalanche Phantom Swap pala yun. But anyway, ayan. Alam ko sa Matic meron din si Uniswap ba yung ginagamit? Alam ko quick swap din yun. Anyways, yeah, there's also pancake swap that you can use when you're in the BSC ecosystem. So that's Cake. Nandito ba sa list ko si Cake? Ayan, nasa list ko nga si Cake. So Cake is also another one, but this is in the Binance ecosystem. So si pancake swap yung swapper natin. So ngayon hindi pa masyado nagko-consolidate lang siya at the moment. And so for swappers, in any chain, pag may nakita kayong swapper, tapos yun yung laging ginagamit ng mga tao, it's a must if ever you're looking to invest. So in in what do you call this? In Solana, we have Jup. So Jup kaka-launch na lang. And sobrang bilis ng pag-launch ni Jup sa mga iba't ibang exchanges. Ganun siya katindi. Kasi nilist agad ng mga ng mga exchanges, pati si Binance nilist na rin. So Jup is one. We don't yet have the low for this. The team has started selling between 0.4 to 0.7, and it's important to note na after 7 days after they launch, that means by Wednesday ba? Or 7 days or 9 days? I'm not sure. I think it's 7 days or I think it's 9 days. I forgot. But basically, after, let's say, sabihin lang natin, assume natin after 7 days, which means by this Wednesday, they're gonna be removing the liquidity. Yung team, they're gonna be removing some of the liquidity here. What basically that means is that kung ano man yung, kung nandito pa in between yung price, or let's say from here to here, that means pag tanggal nila ng liquidity, it's gonna be in Solana or USDC, whatever. Good siya because that means hindi na ganun kabigat. Okay, so it can go both ways. It can go down because wala nang liquidity. People are gonna look for, if ever you're gonna be wanting to swap, let's say, 1 million pesos worth of Jup. Since konti lang yung liquidity na nagsa-circulate dito sa pool, dahil tinanggal na ng team, then most likely aakyat yon ng mabilis. Kasi, ayun unless marami ding ibang liquidity providers that are providing within the range, then walang problema. Makakabili ka ng tokens na yon. But, beyond 0.7 and below this one, pag tinanggal yung liquidity or pag kandiyan pa yung liquidity, once umakyat dito sa level na to, you can expect na, for me, I'm pretty bullish here because people are like comparing Jupiter to Uniswap, like same daw sila ng I mean if they'd be equal in valuation, then sobrang laki na magiging target price natin for Jup. But I'm not gonna be hyping you guys when it comes to this. Ako personally, I'm invested here. What I have done with my Jup allocations from the airdrop, so I got at least 500k to a million na Jup. Kung isama ko pa yung managed funds, mas malaki yun. Pero these airdrops are basically nakukuha mo siya by using their products. So if you use a product heavily and then wala silang token, and then they would release that token to the loyal users, then in crypto sometimes it would translate to a 6 to 7 figure ayan pagka heavy user ka. Alright, so yung ginawa ko sa Jup, I'm gonna share my tab here. So later balikan natin yung watch listing natin. Yung ginawa ko dun sa Jup, mostly I put it here into the liquidity pools. So this is in Camino Finance. If you don't know how to use this, you can check out our YouTube channel. So hanapin nyo lang how to farm or how to use Camino Finance or Orca. But mahanap nyo dyan yung Camino Finance. So just search Camino Finance ZFT. Mahanap nyo to. It's a walkthrough on how to use the platform. And what I did here is that I'm putting my Jup dito. Single asset stake siya, meaning some of the Jup binibenta ko to buy some of these assets like Bonk, Jitosol, Gecko, Ustar, Chunky, When. Why? Because itong mga to, right? These assets are in the Meteora platform. So basically, the liquidity provider that's being used here is Meteora. It's not Orca, it's not Radium. Meteora is fairly new. And the more that you use Meteora, their DLMM, their other products, then you're gonna be eligible dun sa kanilang next, sa kanilang airdrop. Alright, so Meteora is a liquidity provider. It's also a swapper. And ito yung ginamit nung Jup team to launch their token. So the more that we use it, the more fees that we earn by putting our money here in the liquidity pools, staking it here, the more points, the more airdrop you will receive. We don't know yet at magkano yung magiging airdrop. Paano ba? Baka mamaya maliit lang siya. But who knows, Like, to me, when it comes to crypto, my basic principle here is really to diversify because you never know. In Juke, we never knew na magkakaroon siya ng airdrop. We just used the product because it was that useful. And with Meteor as well, if you are a liquidity provider, if you're a market maker, then this is something that you will love kasi there are some strategies that are available there na hindi available sa mga usual natin like Orca or Radium. So, explore it because maganda ding product yun. So, if you are here naman trying to, if you don't really understand liquidity mining, liquidity pools, maraming resources in Google. We also made some videos regarding this one, although I'm not sure kung maintindihan nyo. It's a fairly complicated subject, but try to learn about it because malaki talaga yung pera. Kailangan mo lang intindihin kahit yung basics lang. Tapos lagay kayo ng pera, makukuha nyo naman yung how. Here in Camino Finance, I'm farming, or why I'm putting it here because I'm farming the MET. Again, yung MET airdrop. And then also here in Camino, naglabas din sila ng point system. So you can see here, meron akong 3.4 million na points. And I don't know how much this is going to be pag nag-airdrop sila, but we'll see, I don't know. Well, let's just hope for the best. If it's a good product and you see that hindi mo na siya kailangang bantayan, lagay nyo lang yung pera nyo tapos the whole system will take care of the ranges of all those things na usually hindi mo naiintindihan pag you're a liquidity provider. So get into the Discord dito sa mga projects nito, especially when you're farming, because you want to know ano ba yung mga criteria, you want to understand how the teamwork thinks. And baka mamaya kasi may mga teams na may pa-points pero yun pala puro salita, wala naman palang airdrop na gagawin. May mga ganun guys, so ingat din kayo kasi pag nangyari yan, sayang, right? Yung pinaghirapan niyo or yung finarm niyo wala palang airdrop points, no? Tapos hindi pa maganda yung product, so GG. Okay, so ito yung mga na-cover na natin. We have covered Juke, we have covered Camino. Man, mukhang dami yung mga freebies ngayon, guys. Ano pa ba? Teka. Sige, let's cover na rin Pyth. Alright, so Pyth or Pyth from Pythagorea. Sa mga mahilig dyan ng math. Try ko ba yan or what? I forgot na. Bumagsak ako dun eh. Anyways. For this one, this was also a free airdrop for those people na heavy in different chains. For people who are into Solana as well, nakakuha ng mga airdrop na to. I think I got around 3,000 USD worth of airdrop with Pyth in one wallet. I think yun yung pinakamalaki ko. And eto, mukhang pa-breakout na siya. And the reason why biglang ganito is because of the Binance listing. And people are speculating that it's going to be stake Pyth and probably get other tokens from different chains. So who knows, right? Now, how are you gonna get Pyth? And how are you, kumbaga, if matutuloy ba yun, ano ba yung ways para maging eligible ka dun sa airdrop? So, you go to Jupiter, use their, so kailangan natin ng so ito yung Pyth, no? Teka lang. Dapat siguro share yung buong screen na lang para kita niyo yung hold on. Teka lang. Paano ba to? Present the whole screen. Okay, entire screen na. Let's go. Sige. Okay. So, wait lang. Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Pyth na website. So, make sure na tama yung link. Or basically, punta kayo sa Twitter ng Pyth Network. And then, hanapin nyo yung kanilang official website. Make sure na tama kasi baka mamaya may mga scammers tapos magbibigay ng maling link and then claim. Pag ginawa ninyo yon, baka mamaya mako-compromise yung wallet ninyo. So, make sure that you're using the official links. So, anyway, here, staking that pyth.network, and then you need to go to Jupiter. So jup.eg, that's the official link. You connect your wallet, and then what you need to do is to swap some of your Solana, some of your USDC for that pyth. So punta kayo dito, kayo dyan, pyth network, hanapin nyo yan. Guys, ingat kayo kasi merong mga ganito. Ayan o. Yan yung mga scam tokens. So make sure na tama yung address, right? Tama yung address nyo, alright? So currently yung price niya 0.496. So very very similar here with TradingView. Pagka clinic nyo yung isang pyth, halimbawa lang ha, just para makita nyo, ayan o, kita nyo, this token is not on the strict list. Okay, baka mamaya yun yung maklik nyo, right? Tingnan nyo yung price, not available. Pag naglagay kayo ng $10 yan, 903, ano yan? What kind of pyth? Ang dami kong nakukuha. So kita nyo, uy, 0.109. So sobrang iba from the legit na pyth token. So ingat sa mga scams, guys, alright? Make sure that you're using the correct or you're selecting the correct ones. Double check, triple check, okay? If you're in our Discord, tanong kayo, ito ba yung pyth na yung legit na pyth, right? Check yung contract address para sigurado kayo makita niyo yung contract address. Andiyan, no? So, pwede nyo ding select yan para makita nyo ayos. But anyways, ayan. So, once you swap your pyth, go to staking site, and then afterwards, connect your wallet, and then lagay nyo yung pyth nyo dyan. Right now, I have 2,600 pyth na naka-stake, and if you can see here, I have different wallets over here. Alright, so hindi pala, ito pala yan. So ito lahat, itong mga wallets na to, these are all staked with at least 1,000 USD worth of pyth. So ang target ko dito, lalagyan ko ng mga 5k ganyan. So ayan, those are things that you can do. Ingat kayo kasi malalak yung tokens nyo dito. And then if ever you wanna unstake, dito lang naman, unstake, and then halimbawa gusto nyo i-max unstake yung tokens nyo, pwede nyo gawin yan. So make sure that makikita nyo parang may 7 days yata to na unstaking period if you want. And then finally after that 7 days, you can withdraw yung pyth na in-unstake niyo. So basically ganun lang siya. Alright. So I think those are the basics. Marami pang ibang ways, marami pang ibang mga protocols na pwede nyo i-farm, but these are the easiest ones. Right? So if you're looking for, the next airdrop, ano ba yung mga pwede, ito yung mga pwede nyo tingnan. Okay. So stop sharing muna ako. Okay, what are the things that you would like to... Balik tayo sa natin, charting sessions natin. Okay. Saglit lang Okay, so let me know ano ba yung mga gusto nyong i-chart natin. Let's go on our charting. Okay, teka lang hanapin ko lang yung mga tanong niyo dito. Or may mga questions ka. Okay, tapos na tayo dyan. Bullish on Jupe. Sulit ba mag-liquidity provider na worth 5k pesos lang ang pera? For this question, I would say no. It is not worth it. Kung 5k lang yung pera mo, unfortunately, I'm just being real. This is not something na like you have to increase your capital if you want to do airdrop farming. When Jupe $5, hindi natin alam kung kailan yan. Hopefully this year, no? My personal target, mas malayo pa dyan Okay, later we'll cover itong mga requests nyo. Ngayon, I'm just answering some questions in the comments. Mag-a-announce naman si Binance if i-ban sila, pero malabo, noise lang siguro. Yes, Lester. For me, lahat ng nakikita natin social media, it's just noise. For me, drama lang yan kung ano, para may makuha siguro hopefully yung government natin or yung regulators natin, which is not a bad thing. Hopefully wag lang sila maging sobrang petty, no, na ibaban talaga nila just because wala silang nakuha or something. Mapupunta din naman sa government natin yung pera eh. So, and people can see where it's gonna go. This is not like, accounts where you can hide things or you can hide wallets. Anyway, Sui, Link, we've covered that. Pendle siguro later. Good pa kaya humabol, sir? Solana phone. Yes, I would say, Jake. Good pa talaga tayong humabol sa Solana. Pero make sure that if hahabol ka dito sa Solana phone, yung season 2, use a referral for this one. Meron akong referral link pero hanapin nyo lang sa profile ko, guys, kung ano yung referral link na yon. And then expect nyo lang na this phone is gonna reach you by next year. Next year pa yung shipping nito. Baka may isipin nyo yung Solana phone that's gonna be kailan? Bukas or next month. No. May mga tao kasi na bumili tapos akala nila within the next 3 months. Hindi, guys, next year pa. Luigi, trading volume heavy drift points. Hindi siya tulad ng iba farming protocols. At least the first week ng distro. Yeah. So for drift protocol, if you're a trader, I suggest dyan kayo sa drift mag-trade. Alright, kung heavy trader lang kayo kasi the more volume that you trade, right, the more points that you'll get. Around 73 yata yung points na nakuha ko sa isang account. Yung pinakamataas ko. Or 120. Somewhere around that area pala. Near protocol po. Worth it ba mag-hold sa spot till next year from Cebu? Okay. Lester, let's try near protocol. Near protocol looks like okay siya kasi breakout na yun, from the major resistance. So from this major resistance over here, we're just gonna plot yung mga support and resistance natin next. So ito yung mga levels to watch. Right now, it's in a sideways trend. If magba-breakout siya dito sa level na to, meaning yung price natin is already consolidating and trading above this level, 3 above, then goods tayo. Alright? Mas goods kung nag-break yung 4.3, that means continue yung bull market for near. Alright. Okay. Newly listed Ronin Binance. Personally, hindi ako masyado fan. Pero baka mamaya bias lang siguro. Pero sige, let's try and check Ronin wallet. Alam ko sa MEXC, we also have this. So, ang laki na ng inakyat nyo, di ba? And then ito yung ating all-time high. At least for this one, MEXC. And what we are seeing here is kind of like pag na-list yan sa Binance, usually it's an exit liquidity na. Or exit yung mga tao. Pero short term lang yan. Right? So, kailangan muna natin absorb lahat ng mga liquidity na yan kasi baka mamaya si Binance binibenta pala nila sa mga clients afterwards. Or yung team mismo ng Ron, usually ginagawang exit liquidity talaga si Binance. So, yan. Nag-launch, exit liquidity, wait for a consolidation. Pag nag-breakout, then goods. Okay? Next. Ano pa ba? Wait. Boss D, na po ba sa inyo si... ang masasabi ko lang dyan, Mariano, is pag merong mga tokens kasi, or mga meme tokens, unless may utility siya, or talagang solid yung community, then, like you can hold it. Pero pagka, let's say, hype lang, or, meme coins kasi are they are kumbaga yung pinaka-fuel niyan is speculation. So, if tatanggalin mo yung speculation part, tapos lalagyan mo ng utility, then saka na magkakaroon ng bagong, let's say, playing field. So, right now kasi si Pepe coin is wala naman siyang utility, di ba? So, what else kundi hype yung magpapatakbo sa kanya? NMR. So we still have 14 minutes. NMR is okay, I would say. Kaka-breakout niya lang dito sa mga major resistance niya. So, NMR, medyo liquid lang though, pero if this can sustain, if prices consolidate here and then magkakaroon ng breakout or next leg up. Kasi gusto natin, after a breakout like this, consolidate muna. Parang ito. Pag nag-consolidate yan at nag-breakout from there, next level yan eh. So, next level niya, dapat mag-consolidate muna. Para maging matibay. Hindi pwedeng dire-diretso. Right? TRX. Okay, just let's check ating TRX. Si TRX, nasa list din natin yan ng mga pwedeng invest kasi heavy din to eh. I mean, sobrang manipulated niya, sobrang swabe ng chart. So, ito yung mga major na resistance. Yan. So, medyo malayo pa yung upside niyan. Hindi pa tayo nag-bull market, but that's a very good move. Although mabagal itong si Tron, pero okay, sulit lang. I would say relatively safe ka dyan. Okay. Christian, we've covered this na. Hindi ko pwede ibigay lahat. Maubos yung oras natin. If you want to learn more about airdrops, paano yung magiging strategy, consider subscribing into our paid Discord, which is in Trading Republic. Get into our Discord channel and then see. Kasi yun, yung team namin yung bahala sa iyo when it comes to these things. Ano masasabi mo, boss? May live stream si Tectum ngayon para sa fastest blockchain na may 1.3 TBS. Well, good for them if may ganyan. Ang tanong is kung i-adopt ba siya ng mga tao. If it will be adopted, then go for it. If not, then not really. Okay. Naisip mo na Grass Protocol, boss. Ang sala na rin. Rafael, for me kasi pagka halimbawa free siya tapos referral parang pyramid type, ako hindi ako masyado fan ng ganun eh, kasi in short parang pinapamigay lang nila na parang hindi siya ganun ka-valuable yung token. Gusto ko yung medyo pinapahirapan ako para ma-acquire siya. Yung konting tao lang kasi pag masyadong malakas magpa-referral yung isang token para airdrop, anong gagawin ng mga tao? Di ba, bebentahan lang naman nila yun. So, maganda kung careful tayo. I mean, bigyan mo ng hindi naman careful, more like, okay lang kasi free, pero don't expect much because nakuha mo siya ng free eh. Right? Without working for it. How many Pyth tokens do we need, boss, para maging qualified sa mga potential airdrops nila? Ako, usually, ginagawa ko, pinapasobrahan ko. Hindi, for example, 1,024 yata yung sinabi nila na basic tokens. If ako, ginagawa ko talaga dinodoble ko. So mga 2,000 plus ganyan. Para lang sigurado na pasok ako. Gecko, this is mga iba ng mga ecosystem meme tokens. Gecko, I'm bullish naman dyan. Camino po pa rin ang nasa slide. Okay. Legit ba yung parcel? Yes, legit yan, Mr. Joe. Goods pa ba bibili ng bonk ngayon? Technical wise, bonk is okay. Technical wise, mukhang okay na siya. Tsaka nasa 100 MA na siya eh. So, medyo kasi to, good kasi nasa support level. Ito yung worst case scenario natin. Best case is mag-break or mag-trade above this level. So, currently it's in a range pa naman. Crossfire area. Right, for bonk. Wala pang announcement ilan minimum Pyth need to stake para maging eligible. May mga, I wouldn't say minimum, but meron ng mga speculation. 1,024. Pero ako sa inyo guys, damihan nyo. Like, gawin yung 2,500. Kung pwede 5K, better. When USDT, okay. Cover natin yung when later. Pwede nyo din po ba i-share sa ZeroLend cross-chain for staker Pyth? Yes, pwede din yan si ZeroLend. Nakita ko yan recently. Pero I'm not gonna deep dive into it. Maubos yung oras natin if we're gonna get into all of these things. Boss, will you recommend hard wallets as alternative for exchanges? Jup, the only time that I'm gonna recommend this is if marunong ka mag-secure ng mga wallets na yan. Pag hindi ka marunong, wala kang disiplina, click ka ng click, akala mo free, yun pala scam, then I don't recommend it. Siguro, pagdating sa hard wallets, go for Trezor or Ledger. Yan yung mga pwede. Half ng pang-trade ko nasa Binance pa rin. Well, Rex, marami namang ibang pwedeng gamitan. Pero yeah, tingin ko hanggang sa wala tayong official announcement when it comes to the banning of Binance, huwag tayong mag-alala. Hindi yan, drama lang yan lahat eh. Nag-engagement farming lang yung mga regulators, feeling ko. Okay, Guac SESGP. Paano po ba maging airdrop hunter yung legit like Twitter? Coffee Bean, get into our Discord. That's it. May mga legit alpha hunters ka dyan. How much Solana phone, bro? That's gonna be around 499 USD. Tia, Celestia, Chief, any insights? If you're bullish with this one, kasi isi-stake mo lang si Tia, afterwards you get different kinds of tokens, no? Pero sa akin, mataas na kasi yung price ni Tia. Okay lang sana kung marami ka nakuha sa ilalim, no? Pero kung wala, Pyth na lang. Sana only airdrop sa Solana phone. Yes, yan yung dahilan kung bakit tayo kumukuha ng Solana phone. Anong better sa JSOL, BSOL, MSOL? Ako, linalagyan ko lahat yan, Rafael Flores. And then, I just put it into Camino, dun sa kanilang multiply na product. And then, goods tayo. Ganun lang gawin nyo. Thoughts on ICP? ICP, I don't really trade ICP. I don't even invest into ICP. Pero ICP, nakita ko yung chart niya recently. Pwede naman. It's good. ICP looking good. So, yeah. Wala akong balita dyan eh. So, looking at it, bullish. Yung CCRO credit card po ba yan or debit card? And did you already try it on the different stores in PH? I have actually here two. So, ito yung isa. So, I have the red one. And I also have the green one. Although itong red, hindi ko na ginagamit. Pero, may ginawa akong video regarding this eh. It's one way for you to be able to use the green one. Good siya for online shopping. And every time you use this card, you would be eligible for CRO rebates. If you're using the basic card, yung red, 1% nung spinend mo, babalik into CRO tokens. And if you're using the green card, yung next level, then I think you'll get 2% cashback in CRO tokens. Tapos yung CRO tokens, i-stake mo lang and then just wait for bull market. Saka mo na pwedeng i-spend. Pero ako, ganun yung ginagawa ko. I'm using the CRO card. So, debit siya. It's considered debit but you can use it as a debit credit. Okay. Boss D, wait ka pa ba mag-dip bago mag-spot? That's a very good question. Evets. Tama ba yung pagkasabi ko sa pangalan? Mukhang baliktad to eh. Bravo. Sir Bravo? I would say if ever you... hindi. Pepe coin to eh. Hindi. Si Pepe, hindi na ako papasok dyan eh. Tanong ni Kerlin, may bag ka ba ng bonk? May utility si bonk kaya? Ang dami niyang utility, hindi siya meme token ah. Nagsimula lang siya kunwari as meme token pero ang dami niyang utility. Nasa ano talaga, main ecosystem yan ng Solana. Kala mo lang walang utility pero marami na. It's integrated everywhere. Foxy, Charlton, ang dami kong Foxy actually. Kasi ang dami kong Foxes. Meron akong around 20. So may mga 7 yata ako ng mga main, yung mga Foxes. And then yung TFF, yan, mga 16 yata meron ako. Okay. Thoughts nyo sa INSP? Hindi ko siya naaral eh. So, hanggang chart lang tayo. Currently, it's sideways for INSP. Bullish pagka nag-break yung 0.32. Otherwise, no comment. May tanong dito. Boss D, paano pala aangat ang value ng Jupe if sobrang daming supply because of airdrop? I think that's magandang tanong to pero like paano ko ba sasagutin to? Paano aangat ang value ng Jupe? if people see it as a commodity and there's more buyers, basically, I'm just giving you a very technical and a very simple answer, but that's just how it is. More buyers step in than sellers, then aangat si Juke. Sir, do you think need talaga lipat funds from Binance to other platforms? Jack, for me, hindi. Unless it doesn't give you peace, then lipat mo. Kung hindi, go. Ayan, sabi ni Solo, ito yung minimum per Pyth. 1,052. Boss D, napapuzzle ako about sa post mo, 167k yun. Ba nakuha mo airdrop sa Juke? Next, baka pwede paid DC entry level 3 months. I'm actually talking to my team regarding this. Kung pwede yung 3 months, kasi that's gonna be 6k eh. Most of my team are saying hindi talaga 6 months para sulitin nyo. Kasi yung patikim na yan na 3 months lang. You don't get the whole experience in TRA. The 167k, that's actually one of the funds that I'm currently managing for 3 weeks total. So we're farming Juke kasi we're bullish with Juke. Yes. Let's go Sol Casino. Yeah, sa mga nandun sa Discord namin, nagbigay ako ng advisory na guys, bili kayo. And then hindi ko alam kung sila mga TR ba yung nag-buy up doon. Sige, check natin na. May mga 2 minutes pa naman tayo eh. So I'm gonna give you my list dito sa sa decks ng Solana. So ito, for those of you na nakinig, ayan, mga 50% na kayo. So I think Sunday, yesterday, mga 12 PM, sabi ko guys, bili na kayo. Pero matagal ko nang hina-hype si Sol Casino kasi ito na nga, na siya, it has been consolidating for some time. And then if you have a Sol Casino bear, 1,644. At current prices, that means you're earning $15 every day per bear. So, stake mo lang yung bear dun sa platform nila, tas every day, you're gonna get 1,644. You claim that while your bear stake, kailangan mo ng 90k SES for you to be eligible. Pero, lahat yan sa platform nila. And you also have to gamble into their casino mga $10 para maging eligible yung isang bear mo to stake for 3 days. And then 7 days naman yung But anyways, I also made a guide, a walkthrough on how to do that. Just check our YouTube video. Hanapin lang ZFT, Sol Casino. That's it. It's gonna pop up. Doon ako usually nagka-trade sa platform nila because the free tokens that I get from staking, I convert some of that into USDC, some of it Solana, and then binabalik ko dun sa platform. And then ito nga, SCS, yun din yung ginagamit ko pang trade. So, pretty cool, I would say. Para kang unli-funds ka. If let's say, madalas kang maliquidate, ito, if na-liquidate ka the next day, just wait for the next day and then claim again. Meron ka ulit pang trade. But kasi ang lakas nyo mag-leverage. Paano nakuha CROCC? Guys, I think you can check the comments. I posted it. Meron akong nilagay, or check out yung reels ko dito sa Facebook. Meron dong post how to. Okay, ano pa ba? Lapit na, scan lang tayo. The next is GP. This is our usual GP. Magkakaroon na sila ng GP revenue share staking. So aakyat, I expect this na aakyat ng mga 0.35, especially this month is going to be a huge month again for tayo. So, to me, itong current levels free na to eh. Benta nyo na lang kung wala kayong tayo. Or kung nakita nyo na okay talaga yung magiging services niya, then go. This is one of the products, aside from SCS, na I would say may utility. Or it's backed by something. It's not like hangin yung nagbaback or hype. Alright. Next is when. When is the free airdrop. Right? Ang daming iba dito. Ang laki nang nakuha eh. For when, tingin ko, it's already bottoming out. So again, nakuha to for free. So expect na meron talagang selling pressure. Kasi what do you do if you got things for free tapos wala naman siyang utility? Unless biglang nagkaroon ng utility, no? Then jackpot ka kung bumili ka tapos umakyat. We also have Blaze. Gecko muna kasi may nag-request dito eh. Gecko is the next one. Gecko, I've still been holding yung hawak-hawak ko na airdrop, hawak ko pa rin. And actually, bumili nga ako dito eh. Mataas yung bili ko. And then, I'm slowly buying pa rin here. Because, basically kasi si Gecko, yung team niya, malaking tiwala ko. So, okay lang sa akin na ganito. Na bumaba siya. I'm fine with it. Nakalagay din siya sa Camino Finance. So, I'm just pairing it with Sol and then just buying. Naka-DCA lang ako dito. If ayaw nyo ng talo, JLP. So, JLP is Jupiter Perpetuals. So, ito yung mga... For me, parang halos walang talo dito. Unless bumagsak si crypto, no? The whole crypto market crashes, then malamang babagsak tong si JLP. Kumikita to by yung mga malakas mag-degen mode using Jupiter. Let's say, ano bang ginagawa nila? If let's say malakas ka mag-leverage times 50, times 10, times 20, and then marami kasing traders, diba, hindi naman marunong mag-trade, hindi marunong ginagawang casino yung itong trading. So, and majority of people are like that, then, kikita ng sobra-sobra itong si JLP from all those traders. Kaya kita nyo steady lang din to. But JLP, halos walang talo to. Yeah. I think 70% of the revenue that Jupe gets from that product balik lang dito sa JLP dun sa value niya. So teka guys, okay, tama pala, akala ko hindi ko sinishare yung itong bird eye. I think that's it. Siguro yung pinaka top lang na na parang ma-recommend ko, SCS, GP, and also Gecko, Guac, at saka Guacamole. Although ito parang nagko-correct na. Wait lang, na bumaba pa ng konti. So these are meme tokens. Nagsimula sila ng meme tokens and then finally nagkaroon ng utility. Meron ding iba pero these are diligence na eh. Parang hindi ko talaga siya ma-recommend. But if you guys wanna raise, sige, kayo bahala. I have used car, I have Chonky, I have Silly, I have Bozo, and Draco. Wench, of course. MacJup, hindi masyado eh. Pero that's most of what I own. I'm not recommending that you get into it unless that is your extra money. Tapos meron kayong pwede pang sunog at ilagay nyo para sa in Camino Finance kasi naka-DLMM siya sa Meteora. Para hindi sayang yung pagdidijan ninyo. So you guys can do that if you guys want. Okay. May tanong dito, Boss Z, na-try mo po ba mag-withdraw sa ATM gamit card? I have not tried doing this. Usually, ginagamit ko lang siya pang bili ng mga, let's say, online stuff or nagbo-book ako ng mga Airbnb and stuff like that. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Minsan, pag lumalabas kami ng team sa GFT, we also use the CRO card. Nade-drain pa din ba kahit naka-treasure? Siguro kung sobrang hindi mo alam or hindi ka nagbabasa. Hindi ko alam kung made-drain. Siguro kung may inalaw ka na na transaction na sobrang malicious, baka pwede pa. Pero sobrang low chance. How much initial capital, Boss Z, to start crypto trading? GL, I would say it depends. You can start trading with $100, which is around 5,000 plus pesos. But syempre, ang pinaka-goal natin when you get into trading, you have to learn. Invest into knowledge because yan yung pwede mong i-replicate. Kasi pagka, let's say, you say na you wanna start getting into trading, pero hindi ka equipped, right? Para kang pumunta sa gera, pero hindi ka naman para marunong, mag-assemble ng baril, mag-shoot, or wala kang proper training, mamamatay ka lang. And that's the harsh reality of these things. While there is a lot of good opportunity here in crypto, there's also a lot of ways for you to lose your money. Lack of risk management when it comes to leverage. Pwede kang ma-scam. Somebody messages you, hey guys, have you heard about this new product? How's your trading going? Yung mga ganong galawan, no? Ginamitan ka ng ChatGPT. Ayan. Sasali po ba kayo sa Investa Cup? Rojan, probably not. I'm more of an investor/trader, so I think hindi na siya, wala na ako dun sa league na yun. Hindi na ako the momentum trader that I used to be. I'm more chill. Gusto ko yung kinakausap ko kayo guys, tapos kumikita ako ng pera habang kinakausap ko kayo. Gusto ko ganun lang. Ayoko yung parang wala. Parang meron na kasi akong capital for that. Pakita ko sa inyo. Sample. Pero matagal na to eh. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag wait lang. So I'm gonna share it to you guys. Ito yung ginagawa ko. Basically, I'm a market maker now. I'm a liquidity provider. So some projects come to me or I go to them, especially pag nakita ko, mukhang magandang project to pero hindi sila marunong mag-market make ng token nila. Then that's where I come in. I tell them about my services. Kung gusto nyong gusto nyong umexit dito, gusto nyong i-buy yung token nyo at certain levels. So yung mga natutunan natin as a trader na gamit natin dito, guys. So, yun. Sobrang solid kasi if you know how the markets work, you know how market cycles work, and then you can become a good market maker. I wouldn't say it's a market manipulator. Some people kasi say it like that. I say I manage flows. O, diba? So, kung alam mo lang kung paano yung mga flows na yan, paano i-support yung token, especially if it's pumping, kailan mo i-exit, kailan ka magti-TP, kailan ka mag-buyback para i-support yung price, sobrang edge nun para sa'yo. So, yung trading knowledge natin, nagamit natin dun and made it as a good service for people. So, ito for example, I think kahapon yung last ko na harvest ng yields. So, halimbawa, yan, kahapon, kumbaga, I harvested lahat ng mga nandito. So, basically, every time merong trade na nangyayari between, halimbawa, GP and Solana or SCS and Solana, ang nangyayari dyan, may commission ako nakukuha. So, dito sa earning approximately, it's giving you an estimate of, let's say, naglagay ka ng 10,000 or let's say 100k pesos. Tapos, nag-trade, malaki yung trade volume nung dalawang pair na yun. And then, i-calculate niya, okay, within the last 24 hours, ito yung magiging yield mo. Which means, yung 100k mo, kumita ka ng mga 1,500 pesos just by holding those two assets. Hindi pa kasama yung price appreciation. So, ito, kahapon lang to. Yan, meron ako $109. So, since yesterday to today, meron ako $109 just by holding SCS. Tapos, yung iba, syempre maliit kasi baka mamaya hindi masyado malakas yung trade. But these are really advanced stuff. Especially, magagawa mo siya. Ako, I believe you can only do this if you have a really good technical knowledge of trading. So, ayun. Kaya sinasabi ko, invest in knowledge. Kasi pagka naglagay kayo ng mga ganito, tapos hindi maayos yung ranges ninyo, hindi niyo alam kung ano yung strategy ninyo, pwede kayong ma-liquidate ng wala sa oras and hindi ma-maximize yung pera nyo. When it comes to liquidation, when it comes to LPs or liquidity provision, pag ginawa mo ng tama, tapos na-liquidate ka, sobrang ganda nun. Kasi na-liquidate ka sa tamang price. Good. Making money while prices go up. So yeah, these are the things that I do at the moment. So, iba't ibang wallets yan kasi gusto ko rin mag-farm ng iba't ibang tokens. But yeah, basically, ito, I use Orca, I use Meteora, I use sa Radium, hindi na masyado to farm these airdrops, and then basically, I'm a liquidity provider and then getting all these yields from different. So, yan. Ano pa ba? Hello, sabi ni JM. I'm new to trading. Paano po malaman mga different types ng chart? Siguro JM, think hindi ako sigurado kung paano tong sagutin yung tanong mo kasi marami talagang iba't ibang klaseng chart. Siguro how to read the different types ng chart. Depende din kasi If you're new to trading, I suggest look at the resources, find ways, how can you trade effectively, how can I become a good technical trader. Yan siguro yung magandang unang tanong. And then once you ask that question and you find answers to it, mag-snowball na yan. Di na po ba active ang Orca? Yan, kakapakita ko lang sa'yo, Rafael. Orca is pretty good. Kailan ka nag-start mag-crypto? 2017. Tama. Yeah. First time ko nakita kag-glass, boss. Kakabilang ba ng... Mark, matagal na akong may glasses. Although, nakapagpalisik naman ako mga, 6 years ago. Pero mukhang kailangan ko ulit. Lumalabo na yung mata ko. Mahirap mag-drive kung walang glasses. So, kailangan mag-glasses tayo. Okay. Boss Z, when you were back then, how much did you lose initially? That's a very good question of distraction. I would say, I lost millions already. Hindi ko na mabilang ko ilang million yung nalugi ko. Pero nung nagsisimula ako, I started with, 120k or 130k. Yun. Yung pang abroad ko, yun yung ginamit ko pang trades. Okay, ano pa ba? Retire na si Boss Z sa trading, more investing in marketing. Yes. Hindi naman, I can't say na retire na ako sa trading kasi I still trade. I mean, even if you're a market maker, you're still trading. Pero, hindi na ako masyado sa play money, basically. Medyo high stakes gaming na tayo, guys. So, pero gusto ko yung type kasi na I still have my own free time. Yeah. How about Margin Fi? Margin Fi, I already posted my thoughts about this dun sa Twitter. Hindi na ako nagpa-farm ng Margin Fi. Eigenlayer, I already, hindi ko kabisado to. So, it's not something na nasa radar ko. Although, ang dami ko nang narinig na good dito. So, probably good. Jack, what coin to invest? Hold at least 2 to 3 years. If you've been following my Maya updates, pwedeng yun. Pwedeng yung makita yun. Marami din. If you are into our Discord, yeah, it's there. The list is there. Pwede yung tingnan din yung Binance liquidity mining or liquidity pools. Check mo yung pinost ko dun sa YouTube. Thoughts nyo po sa BTC? I've already answered this sa start ng ating stream. May impermanent loss po ba Z sa Orca? Yes, there is impermanent loss, pero wag kang matakot dyan sa word na impermanent loss. Because impermanent loss is actually pretty okay. Baka nakaka-trauma lang kasi pakinggan yung loss. Pero impermanent loss is pretty chill. If alam mo kung paano yun. Okay! Sabi ni Lost, sorry late po, okay lang. Back, replay na lang. How about Sai? Sai is actually something that's, I'm pretty bullish about this token. Sai is good. So if you are into gaming, yeah, Sai is a token that you want to be watching. Okay. Kailan ka naging consistently profitable and how much was your biggest win? Last question, last answer din for tonight. Siguro mga 5 years before ako naging consistent. Kasi PS yun eh. Pero siguro mga 5 to 7. Kasi inaral ko iba't ibang klaseng style eh. I would say each different style will cost around 2 years for you to master it. So, I'd say after 6 years, saka ako naging profitable sa mga iba't ibang style. So isipin mo after the second year na okay ako sa momentum trader, okay, level up, or ano yung next progression ko, trend follower. Okay, after trend following, swing trader. After swing trading, ayun na, pumasok ako sa crypto, naging investor. Ngayon, it's my second year as an investor. So I think I'm still, hindi ko masabi na consistent ako until na-test ako. I would say, everybody, you can't trust anyone until they are tested. Okay, someone who is not tested cannot be trusted. Basically the same thought. It's the same for everything. Hindi mo masabi na consistently profitable ka unless you survive a bear cycle, which is usually 1 to 2 years long. So if you survive, pero let's say umexit ka after your second year, 1 to 2 years lang, tapos umexit ka, you can't really say that you're profitable. Wait for 4 years. Pag talagang hindi ka na nalulugi because you know your thing, then you can say, okay, I'm a consistently profitable trader. Have you ever thought po about financial astrology? No, not my thing. Wow, grabe matagal-tagal. Thank you. Yeah. Alright guys, I think that's it. That's it for our stream today. Thank you guys for watching. And for those of you who have been around for some time, especially for those of you who are in our Discord, abang-abang sa mga bagong channels, we're gonna be doing a revamp on things. We want to make sure na maayos yung ating channels para mas madali siyang i-navigate. And then, yeah, congratulations sa mga nakinig dun sa ating mga recent alphas. SCS is up by 50%. Yung mga Sol Casino din natin, umakyat na rin. Free money, making more money. And just continue farming those airdrops. Who knows, baka mamaya another 6 to 7 digits game yan. So yun lang guys, thank you so much and have a great day. Good luck sa mga trades. Bye-bye.
That is The Boardwalk, a 43-second video by Canadian-born artist who goes by the name of Mad Dog Jones. And this digital work was sold for $388,000. Meet Zoe Ross. It was on one Saturday morning in 2005 when Zoe and her family went to look at a house on fire in their neighborhood. Zoe was watching the flames engulf the house when her father asked her to smile. Zoe flashed a smirk as the fire roared behind her. Hence, the disaster girl was born. And on April 2021, the Roths sold the original copy of these meme for 180 Ethereum, equivalent to $502,691 as of June 5, 2021. And this is a Nyan Cat, an iconic GIF of part cat, part Pop-Tart. Nyan Cat was sold on an online auction for 300 Ethereum, equivalent to $600,000 when it was sold. If you think that the prices are already crazy, things will get crazier as we share the top most expensive NFTs. This is the Everyday, the first 5,000 days, a digital collage that was sold for $69 million. CryptoPunk, 3,100, $7.58 million. CryptoPunk, 7804, $7.57 million. Crossroads, $6.6 million. You might wonder, how could these assets be owned when it is all around the internet? It is because they were sold as an NFT. On May 18, 2021, Merriam-Webster, the dictionary, finally recognized and defined the NFT or non-fungible token as a unique digital identifier that cannot be copied, substituted, or subdivided, that is recorded in a blockchain, and that is used to certify authenticity and ownership as of a specific digital asset and specific rights relating to it. Back in 2018, the overall market for NFTs was around $41 million. However, when the pandemic started in 2020, the overall market for NFTs ballooned to over $338 million, according to the data collected from nonfungible.com. But are these NFTs actually worth the value assigned to them? especially if all it takes to view them is an internet connection. To have a better understanding of just how these new tokens work, one must understand the word fungibility. In layman's terms, it is the ability to exchange or substitute an asset with a similar asset of the same value. The most common example of fungible assets is currency. Assume that you have 5 $1 bills in your wallet, but you don't want to be carrying so much change. You are able to exchange those 5 $1 bills into a single $5 bill. Thus, the value is still the same, but in a different format. Non-fungible assets are quite the opposite. Each one is unique and cannot be exchanged or substituted. Just like the famous Mona Lisa painting, it cannot be exchanged for a poster of the Mona Lisa from a gift shop because the value is completely different. The idea behind an NFT is that you'd have this digital signature, just like a great piece of art that might have the signature of the artist. It's as if you're going to the original work and verifying that this is real and authentic. The NFT gets this unique signature. Set through the blockchain is where all the information is recorded. Basically, NFTs are essentially a form of cryptocurrency. However, unlike fungible cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Litecoin, NFTs are unique. The information contained within the code of the NFT is essential information, such as who owns the NFT, when it was sold, and who the previous owner of the asset is. In addition, the layer of encryption ensures the NFT's authenticity as well as scarcity. However, there are a lot of skeptics that are saying that this new token is only something being hyped up. They're also raising concerns about the ability to scam these kinds of tokens. It would be very difficult for someone to go ahead and verify whether the person selling this NFT is the creator of said NFT. But don't fret, here at NFT University and TRE Games, we will dig deep on the crazy and will share opportunities which focuses on the assets from online games and collectibles. Join us in our upcoming series of webinars. Dates to be announced. See you then!